Alright, first run in Sugarland. Gonna go ahead and do a tower and then head out to the RCs. So let's get it. Short run today. Got about an hour and a half or so. Oh, I had to go that way. Alright, tower run. Go for it. Little muddy spots. Whew. A little outgrown, a little. Alright, that's the end of tower. A little overgrown, a little bit of wet spots. Not too bad, not sticking much to the tire. So, let's go to RC. What was that? Oh, I thought it was a duck or something. Huh? Oh, that's why. Let's go. That was fun. That's a fun spot right there. Woo! Well, that hurt. The little vines got me. Huh? The vine. Alright, I'm gonna roll it in just to make sure the ground is good before we go super fast. Everything looks good. Right here, keep it a little straight. Yeah, good to go. Yeah. And I think I'm low air. You hear me? Huh? I think I'm low air. Nice new proof. I think if I keep it straight, I shouldn't burp it. I think if I keep it straight, I shouldn't burp it. Whew. Kind of sucks, my tire is a little low, so I gotta kind of keep it easy. Yeah, I can't do it. Yeah, I need air. Oh, I guess let me record you. Alright, I'm gonna run it on manual Scott. Menu there, we'll probably go right now to the truck, fill it up. We're also time limited, so I don't want to waste too much time and try to have a little fun out here. But I'm gonna do it on his. His bike's a little shorter for my likes, so hopefully I don't fall. Okay, let's go. Woo. Feels good. Don't burp on me tire. Nope. A little wet. That actually sounded good. Damn it, wish I had air in my tire. That is actually long and nice. Yeah. That sucky tire. Ah, that sucks. The tire's too damn low. Okay, pump boys. Not fun. I don't want to go to the truck. I'm about to leave anyway pretty soon. No, it's not working. I wasn't going fast enough, but let's do it again. Nice to the shifter. Oh, that was good. That was good. Let's try it on this one again. Low tire. Nope. Nope. Nice. Oh, shot it.
I think it's a little more lower somewhere because even here I feel it. Now we just feel it.